Hello everyone, welcome back to Logical SPM. So today I am going to solve a very famous Olympiad mathematics problem. So in this method I will try to solve it very easy method. So let's move this constant number 12 to the right, to the left hand side. So it will be x square minus x power 3. This plus sign to 12 will go to left hand side and its sign will be changed from plus to minus. So minus 12 equals 0. Here we have a square term in the first, so we will move this cube term in the first and then keep the square term in middle, and in last we will have constant terms. So here the sign of cube term is minus, so for making it plus we will multiply both sides with minus 1. Okay, so if we multiply minus 1 with this minus x cube, it will be plus x cube, plus x square will be in minus x square, minus 12 will be plus 12 equals 0. Okay, now break 12 into two terms. 12 will be equal to 4 plus 8. Okay, so x cube minus x squared same, plus 12 is equal to plus 4 plus 8 equals 0. Okay, so x cube minus x squared same, we can write 4 is square of 2 and 8 is cube of 2. Okay, now move cube term and keep it with x cube. X cube plus 2 cube minus x square plus 2 square equal 0. Now keep these 4 in pairs of 2 for applying formula. So it will be same in small bracket x cube plus 2 cube. Here we will take minus is common, so it will be x square, plus sign change will be changed into minus 2 square equals 0. Now here we have to apply two formulas. Here we will apply sum of cubes and here difference of squares. So sum of cubes formula is a cube plus b cube. Number one formula will be this, equal a plus b into bracket a square minus ab plus b square, and second formula will be a square minus b square equal a minus b multiply a plus b. Okay, so now apply this formula on x cube plus 2 cube. Here a is equal to x and b equal to, so this will be keep in this side, replace a with x and b with 2. So here we get x plus 2, a square means x squared, which will remain same, x squared minus ab means 2 multiply x, it will be 2x, plus b squared means 2 square, which will be equal to 4. Then keep minus same, and x square minus 2 square will be equal to x minus 2, x plus 2 equals 0. Now take x plus 2 is common. Here we have x plus 2 and here we also have x plus 2. So keep x plus 2 is common. X plus 2 same. Here we have taken x plus 2 as common. So it will be cancelled and we will have x squared minus 2x plus 4. Between sign minus will remain same and x plus 2 will get cancelled because we have taken it as common. We will get x minus 2 curly bracket over equal 0. Here x plus 2 remains same, x squared minus 2x plus 4 remains same. we will multiply minus with this bracket. So it will be minus x and minus into minus plus 2 equal 0. Now x minus x plus 2 remains same. Here we get x square minus 2x minus x. It will be minus 3x, and here we have 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 will be 6 equal 0. Now we have two terms, x plus 2 and x square minus 3x plus 6 equal 0. We will keep both the terms equal to 0. Here we write each factor equal 0. So x plus 2 will be equal to 0 and x square minus 3x plus 6 equal 0. Here we get x equal minus 2, and we cannot solve this equation by splitting the middle term. So we will apply here quadratic formula. Apply quadratic rule. So as we all already know that quadratic formula is x equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here we will take values of a, b and c from this equation. Here a equal 1, b equal minus 3 and c equal 6. Now put values in this formula. After putting these values in the formula, we get x equal minus, the value of b is minus 3, plus minus square root of value of b is minus 3, put square over minus 3, minus 4 same, a equal 1 and c equal 6, whole upon 2 multiply value of a is 1. So x equal minus into minus plus 3 plus minus square of minus 3 will be plus 9, minus 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24 over 2 ones are 2. So now x equal 3 same, plus minus square root of 9 minus 24, we will get minus 15 from here and over 2. X equal 3 same, plus minus, here we have minus in the square root, so we know that square root of minus 1 is equal to iota. It is an imaginary number, so we will keep iota here and this minus sign will get cancelled, and minus 15 remains same over 2. So from here we get two values of x. One is x equal 3 plus iota square root of 15 over 2, and another is x equal 3 minus iota square root of 15 over 2, and we have already get a value of x which is x equal minus 2. So the final answer of x square minus x cube equal 12 are number 1 x equal minus 2, number 2 x equal 3 plus iota radical 15 over 2, and number 3 is x equal 3 minus iota square root of 15 over 2. So these are the final answers of this equation. Hope you guys like this and it will help you in solving these kind of problems. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then kindly subscribe my channel because it's free. Thank you so much for watching.